Day 2 of our machine learning series, and we increased our win rate substantially. It's still not great, but we went from a 50% win rate to a 62% win rate in just one day of actually training our models, which is insane. Now, because of these new advancements, I think we're gonna get to where ChatGPT was and surpass it by probably Tuesday. We are on track to do that well. Today was incredibly choppy, incredibly rangy, and we handled it very, very well. We even got to the point where our biggest win was double the size of our biggest loss. Now, the goal for me is to get my win rate to about 80% just using the signals. Naked chart, looking at signals, taking trades. I think that's very reasonable. We're already at 62, up from 50, which lets me know that we're probably about a week away from getting there, which is very exciting. That means that you guys will get access to this way sooner than I anticipated even releasing it because of the improvements we're making. So if you're looking to be more consistent, more accurate, and make more money, I think this software is going to be an excellent piece in your trading tool belt when it's ready. We'll jump into that real quick. Stop. Good. That was nice. Cool. 149. Okay. Good signal there. All right. Get the link sent out, and then we will get to rocking and rolling. Share, copy. I've been a lot more on time recently. I figured out how to get my OBS to load within a responsible amount of time. So that helps. All right. A little chilly. Let's get it going. Gabe, what's going on, my friend? What's going on, Gabe? New signal here, short again. Now we're going to be in our paper account today. No sense in wasting money on evals with signals that we don't necessarily know are good just yet. I think today we'll have a much better day, but time will tell. Let's see what we got here. Nice. Okay. Good. Another good signal there. Now, as you guys can see, I got away from the overlay. I thought it was a little small for the signals, so you guys really couldn't see what was going on very well. You should be able to see now. So you guys can see our signals are either really high or really low. We have a 6% confidence score here, and then we have confidence scores in the 90s, which is pretty cool. Now, so new signal here at 903. We got another sell signal. We'll take that. Could be a little late to this one. Let's see. Technically, it's a good signal. We just were late. Gosh dang it. Okay, we're out of that one. We're down $2. So we'll see how today fares out. Pretty excited about this. Now, we have trained the model, both models actually that were being used together. We've trained them just from yesterday's data. So we took all of Thursday and some of this morning, and we retrained it about 5 a.m. So the signals got a lot better overnight, which is great. So that will be the consistent process. Now, what's interesting to me right now is just how high the confidence scores are. I'm not sure that I love how high they are, but I assume over time, again, we'll compress this where we get low signals that aren't worth anything, and then we'll get high signals, and we'll figure out which ones are actually good. So another short signal here. Take this one. Let's just see how it works out. Stop placed, stop hit. We're up $16. All right. Not a bad signal there. 903 was bad. 904 was good. 902 was good. So that's solid. Day 2, let's go. Let's get it, Kyle. Let's get it, my friend. What's going on, Kyle? Happy to have you, Kyle. I really appreciate you, my friend. Appreciate your support. More than you know. More than you know. It's always interesting, and you guys are only a few guys watching right now, but always interesting when you post things online, especially when it comes to like this. You get a lot of weird feedback. Let's see, we got 905 here. I have another short. Okay, sell. Stop. I don't love this signal, but let's see what it can turn into. Moneyball. Okay. Nice. We're up 146. Okay. You never really know what you're going to get when you post online. And you get a lot of weird comments. At first I used to delete them because I was like, I don't like this. I don't like the negativity. Now I keep them in there, but you never know what you're going to get. So I really appreciate you guys' support because at times it can get a little tricky. You're like, what is going on? Most people don't know what they're looking at, or they're used to just like everybody's saying it's the greatest thing ever, and so when it's not, they love to hate, which is fine. But you never know what you're going to get on social media. Tricky thing. Tricky, tricky thing. So I appreciate you guys. All right, next signal here coming. Good. Haven't gotten a long signal in a minute, so let's see what we have here. Another sell signal. Sell. Stop. Price is really choppy. We have a low confidence long here. That's interesting. That long might be right. Let's see. Make sure you guys can see everything clearly. All right, good. My face gets in the way, just let me know. Right there. Okay, that long signal is much better than the short so far. Okay. Keep going. Want to move my stop above even or below even. New signal here in about 3 seconds. Next candle at least. There we go. Good. It wasn't a great signal, but it ended up working out pretty good. All right, good. We're up 240. So good there. Good there, bad there. All right. So far, so good. This is kind of crazy. Anas, what's poppin', dog? What's good? Let me know where you guys are watching from. Pop in the chat so I can shout you out. Kevin, what's going on, my friend? Happy to have you guys. My goal is that when this channel gets real big, I'll know who the OGs are. You know what I mean? I'll know who my guys are. Got a memory like an elephant, by the way. I have a crazy memory. If we meet one time in person, I'll remember you for years. I'm just like that. Kind of a weird flex, but it is what it is. All right, 908. Got a short with a stop set and a price reverse. Okay. Probably our poorest entry to date for today. Let's see kind of where price wants to go with us here. I'm assuming we get stopped out here, yeah. All right, we're down 15 bucks. All right, we're trading this chop, not the worst I've ever seen. Let's see what this candle wants to end up doing. So far, not terrible. We're on a paper account today. We wanted to see kind of where the signals are. 7 trades, 2 losses. We're at 71%. This is start out as a small sample size, a little bit better than we were the day before. Okay, if you guys finish, yeah, that's good. Good signal. It's kind of amazing how much better the signals have gotten since overnight. I'm actually really impressed right now. I'm really excited about this. So let's see kind of what we get here. I got myself another, should get a sell. Short. That signal came through way too late, so I have to work on that. If I'm gonna lose this trade, it's because my signal was way too late. Came through late. I should have known it was gonna be a short. Should have just jumped in, but you never know. Okay, well, we're gonna have to move this thing to open price and just hope price can stay above this level here. Okay, we tested that low, which is like right here. Yeah, we're out. Dang it. That was actually a really good trade. We just missed it. We were too late on the entry. That one we should have made money on. We didn't. That's on me. William, what's going on, my friend? Shout out to Minnesota. Anus, okay, Kyle's in Toronto. Okay. Anus, you're in Sydney, Australia. Sick. Mike, where is Prescott? It's not Dak, but where is Prescott? All right, 9:10 gives me a short signal. We'll take that right there. Let's go stop. See if we can get some of our cash back that we just lost. Nope. Okay, we made a little bit there. Good signal. Let's message the team here. Prescott, Arizona, sick. Sick. All right. Let's see what we got here. Short. Okay, not a horrible entry, not better than not the best, but not terrible. Good. If price can get below that low, we got a chance to run here. Move my stop pretty tight because we could rocket back up. So lock in some gains there. All right. We're up 107. That was about 250. Okay. Now prices, I would say pretty choppy right now. We've kind of been trading this pretty good. Um, I know that, let's see. Alan, what's going on? Sacktown. See it. I'll explain what I was saying in a second. 12. What in the? Look at this confidence score. Can you guys see that? Let's go sell right here. Stop. Pop. Thought we had a chance here. I had a chance to make it break even. I didn't take it. That's on me. Let's see here. Yep. Back down to 1 something. 43. Or 143. Okay. Bad signal there. Good. 0.5% confidence score. Good signal. Good signal. We had a chance to be profitable on that one, barely. I didn't want to take it because I thought we'd get price to roll down. I wanted to give it some space. Didn't work out. Alone with you, this on delay. There shouldn't be much of a delay, William. Should be a couple seconds, so shouldn't be much. Let me see. Hold on. Shouldn't be. Let's see. Go like that. About 3 seconds. Okay, my 913 signal is a long here, or price is showing me a long. AI wants a short. God, I don't love this one. Okay. If I put my stop right there, I think it gets hit, and we could miss price rolling down a little bit, so I don't want to put it there. Let's just see kind of if that was a horrible mistake. So far, it's kind of looking like it was. Should have taken some of that. Okay, right there. Down. All right, we got some of that. We got about $100, $80 on that. Not bad. Bad signal, but not bad. Yeah, the way I trade. It's going to be very difficult to trade on the delay. It's not my intention. Long signal here and another long. All right. Wow. All right. Well, let's see. My entry was super delayed on that one. I'm going to try and get that fixed. Let's see if I can get some money here. $25. No, break even. We made some money. We made more than commissions. All right. Here we go. I'm very pleased with how this has started out. I don't know what the rest of the day holds for us, but the first 14, 15 minutes have actually been pretty good. Excuse me. I did not expect. Should I move my face in the middle? Let's see. It's not in the way. I put my face like right here. Is that better? Let me know in the chat. Let me know. Do you guys prefer if my face? Because you can still see the signal and the direction and the confidence score. But I want to make sure I don't interfere with the chart. So let me know if the middle makes sense. If you guys want it somewhere else, I'll certainly adjust. 19% long. Okay, so we're not going to take that. We'll just wait, but fun. These signals are dramatically improved from yesterday. We'll look at the end of today's P&L. The reason I wanted to do the demo account was that way I don't have to switch accounts. I don't have to like tally up how much I'm up or down. We can just look at this one account and have everything here. That, and I don't know the effectiveness of these signals just yet. So I wanna see that. Can't close above. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, Kyle. You might be right. Might be right, my friend. I can try. How do I? All right, next signal here coming. Another 15% long. So that one was wrong here. You were, let's see. Yes, wrong. No, you were right. Sorry. You were wrong. You're right. Sorry, I'm all messed up now. 14. Not trading you. $15 was wrong. There we go. One second here. I gotta take a screenshot of this. Let's see if I can catch it. 1 second here. We'll take some trades here in just a second. Damn, it called that short? That's crazy. That's crazy. Hell of a signal there. We'll take it here. Let's see what we got. Short. Okay, we're not gonna make money on this one, I don't think. That's only because I was super late. Let's see. Not because it's a bad signal. It was a really good signal. Holy cow. To call that bad boy and for it to happen the way it just did, we're getting pretty good. And this is extreme chop. Like, this is not easy to trade, and we're kind of knocking out of the park right now. The signals are, at least. Some low confidence ones that we didn't believe in. Then we have this one. This one could be ugly. Let's just see kind of what happens with this trade. So we're still short. Yeah, we're not gonna make money on that one. No way. So it's supposed to be a 1 candle trade. Didn't work out that way. I have a high confidence short and a low confidence long. So I'll take a sell right here. Let's just see what happens. Put my stop kind of right above these highs over here, and price hits it. All right, we're down 536. That's okay. Let me check on this thing here. Which one was first? This one was first. All right, I got exactly what I needed. Sorry about this. 1 second. Got to show the team that I'm not crazy. Okay. Pull my nose really fast here. 1 second. Screen's blurry? What's going on here? Sorry about that. I guess if I take a screenshot on my laptop, my Mac laptop, it freezes my phone. The hell? Sell right here. Take this. I guess I gotta send that message, but I'll wait. I'm a little late to this one. Probably had a chance to be profitable. I'm a whole minute late to this one. So that's on me. Let's see what this next signal gives us here. At 20, gives me a long and a short. Okay. 94% confident we're gonna be a short here. That's pretty good. I'm so far away from that I couldn't ever have been profitable on that trade. So technically, you're gonna be wrong. You're gonna be right. You're gonna be wrong. Technically, you'll be correct. You'll be incorrect. Okay. Okay. 1 second here. I gotta look at this. It shows. Okay, sell signal here. We'll take that. Okay. When price is choppy, I like to keep my stop super tight. That helps me secure some of these gains, as we know that the next candle could be whatever direction. So want to secure them as fast as possible. Okay, I got that taken care of. We're back. Ice cold, appreciate it. So like that's kind of what I mean. Like this is actually not going to be a good signal at all. Wow, price is really choppy, but we're handling it pretty well. Obviously, I've gotten into some of these trades a little late. That's on me, and we'll fix the latency here. Let's see, but so I got long here. Take that. Okay. Now it's reading all of these candles, so if it thinks long, let's see if we can get what we're expecting. Nice. I think we made 80 bucks on that. Let's see what price is up to here. I want to jump in again, but I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay. I got two signals. I got a long and a short. Well, this long's correct. This one's bad. Okay. Let's see if I put my face at the top. Right. Like right here. I feel like that makes more sense. Like out of the way of everything. All right. Damn, that was a good long signal. Bad short signal though. The hell. All right, now this thing's gone. So now 23 thinks it's short. Yeah, that's bad. Now that could just mean that it thinks the candle's going to end up being red, and so maybe a reversal's coming. Let's take a short here and let's see if we can catch maybe the top of this candle and not get smoked out of this trade. Let's see, we thought we did, kind of have so far. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna not make any money on that, but so right now I'm working on a fix for this, but right now, holy cow, what a call. The way that this thing marks trades good and bad, this is the most efficient way for me to train it, is if a candle closes green and it's signaled short, it's incorrect. If a candle closes green and it's signaled long, it is correct. If a signal comes in for a short and the candle closes green, that is an incorrect signal. Now, what that does, so I have 24 here is a long, and then I have a short here. Okay, so we're probably looking at you being good, you being bad. So for now, that's okay. But when we get a short signal like this one, where I have NQ, a signal with a 95% confidence score that's going to go down, basically what this is saying is that there's going to be a pullback. That's how I read these signals. When we have a clear uptrend, there's going to be a pullback of price. And so for these, especially if we see price running this way, we could look at taking a short and then trying to capture some of the value that gets created on a pullback. Now I'm a little late to this pullback, so let's just see what we can capture here. But that's probably the best way to interpret this so far. When we get more training, when we get more data under its belt, some of these signals will change, and we should be going long here, and then we should just either hold the trade or trail it pretty nice. I would prefer a long signal there, but that's how it's anticipating this right now. So I have a short here. It's also a little early on reversals, which is nice, but I would still, again, like to see long signals on that sort of movement because, well, price ran. And we want to be a part of that long rather than short. I don't want to be the smartest guy in the room. I just want to be the richest. So I want to take the most obvious trade. Now, if I clearly disagree with the signal, you don't have to take it, obviously. But I would like all these to be like idiot proof so that you, even if you don't know what you're doing, like you can still make some money. That would be the best version of this product. Is even if you don't know what you're doing, you still make money with it. Good signal there. Hell of a signal there. It's been calling shorts this entire way up. I don't love that. It's not necessarily wrong. I just don't love it. But ESSE, what's going on? So we'll continue to see. Now I have a long signal here. Good God. Oh no, I'd have a short. Whoops. Let's close that out. Sell. I think I would have been right on that one had I stayed in it. Well, that wasn't the signal, so we'll close it out. Yeah, that's why we're in paper account. I got two signals here. I read the first one too fast. And I should have kept it because that was right. Right, wrong. So we've been pretty consistent so far with getting about 3 out of 5. We had a couple 4 out of 5s, a couple 2 out of 5s, but we've been pretty consistent with, again, about 60%. What's my win rate right now? It can't be great. 23 and 9. I'm at 60%. That's 10% better than yesterday. All right, now I've had a couple fuck ups myself, so all right. New signal here. I have a long with 3% confidence. So we'll sit this one out. We won't take that trade at all. Myself a short. Okay, we'll take that right there. Stop. So that long signal wasn't great. Too many points away. Okay, good. That's a little drop. $60 there. Don't love that, considering I think price could really run here. But all right, good call. Good call. Bad call. So kind of 3 out of 5. That's pretty good. Okay. Nines, another 18% confidence. I should probably wait. Even though I'll take it. I love this price action. I love that. When price opens up, runs, and then pulls back off a wick high, I love that. To go short off of it, I love that. Especially when we kind of have price pulling back a little bit. I should have gotten in like a couple seconds earlier. We'd be up a lot more. But I do love that action. Oh, okay. I thought we were gonna get a run there. Stop. It's kind of what I thought we were gonna get. There we go. Okay. About $100 on that one. Probably could have had a little bit more. My ATR is sitting at 19, pretty good. We're trading at VWAP, and I would say doing a pretty good job right here. I've got a, let's see, it's oh, that's a good signal. Oops, whoops. Yes, no. Yes. Okay. Interesting there. Again, if we could get about 80% of these signals to be correct, which would be a tall task, like that'd be pretty tough. That'd be insane. But if we could get to, if I could consistently be at like 73, 74% confident, or 73, 74% win rate, I'd be happy with that. Because we can adjust and make it improve that. So new signal here, 31 is going to give me it's a huge delay. Short. Fudge. I entered on 2. So now I gotta set my stop at 2. Yeah, that delay is killer. It really is. Come on, extend, baby, extend. All right, we're out. Minus 600. We lost 150 on that one. Yeah, 150 on that one. Good signal. We just got it super late. Super late. So I got to work on this. This is our next piece. I think this is probably cost us 5 to 6% win rate, or 5 to 6% profitability here by just being, they signals are late. So I gotta adjust that. That has to be fixed. Pronto. Get it fixed next week. All right, 32. I'm looking at a short again. It's pretty high confidence. So let's go ahead and take just one of these and go sell. Actually, not a terrible trade. It's not looking good for me right now, though. Put this down here. This should get hit pretty quick. Okay. On 880. Oof, 886. Not great. Where are we at so far today? We should be in the mid 60s, maybe even less. No, I'm sorry, mid 50s. Okay, 57%. All right, we're improving, but dropping off a little bit. Not a good signal there. Not a good signal there. I think with these, we're a little late on some of these trades that are actually good trades, and so I need to like work on that. I think we're leaving a little bit of meat on the bone by having signals that are just a little late. So 59.33. Okay. Let's see. 33 signal comes in a little bit later. Okay, that's a pretty good entry. If this thing does end up going short, then like it's a good entry. Set our stop right there, 8 points above our open, and about 13 points from the candle open. That's good. Kind of want this thing to run, so I'm going to slide my stop here. I wanted some confirmation that I'm not going to get smacked here. Come on. Okay. Stop hit. About 100 bucks on that one. 34 gives me a short as well. I got 2 shorts here, so I'll take that. Tight. Doesn't need to be this tight. Yeah, that's why. Okay. Another 180 there. Good. You're going to be marked as bad, though, because you finished green. All right, so 1 out of 5 there. Not great. So, interesting. Definitely better than yesterday, which is nice. That's always good. That's always good. But let's see what today can bring us here. As long as if I can lock in and make some of these trades better, we should be good. All right. 35 signal. is late. It's a short. This price action stinks. So let's go sell right there. Can't sell. Sell. Okay. Small victory here we're looking for, at least. Nice. Good signal here. This would have been a good signal regardless. From we were down 8 something, now we're down 6.8, 680. Not terrible. Not great, but not terrible. I'm actually very encouraged. I know that our win rate isn't going to be astounding, and I know that today isn't going to be the best day for P&L, but I'm very, very impressed by just what one day's worth of signals can really do. Okay, one day's worth of data, I guess is a better way of putting it. 36. I was assuming a short. Now price ran so fast that like there just isn't a whole lot we can do with this one here. Okay, we're down 9.14. All right, we'll try to keep our P&L above 1,500, negative 1,500 bucks. Try to do that. But not bad. I would say probably, and this is super choppy too. We're trading this crazy chop, I think, pretty decently. Again, win rate's not going to be great today, but not bad. What up, John? Not mad about it today though. 37 gives me a short with pretty high confidence. One thing about the choppiness that will get you is thinking that price is going to run. Of course, as I say that, price makes a nice little low. Yeah, it's really important when prices chopping to set your stop. We made 115 bucks on that. To set your stop and then just let whatever happens happen. Obviously, when you're chopping, you're looking for the next breakout, right? You're looking for the next 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles in a row. And we're obviously chopping right at VWAP here, but we've handled this very well. We handled this a lot better than ChatGPT did. If you guys are around for that, a lot better than ChatGPT ever did, which is awesome. So that's good. So there's some small stuff in here that I think we need to fix and clean up, and I think it's just going to be another couple of days of data that I really think we'll be able to start cranking out some nice profit. All right, so 38 signal again is late. I'll fix that. I have a sell again though. Take that right there. My stop is 12 points away. It's a little high. My entry need to be better. If you want your stop to be loose, you need to get a really good entry. If you want a loose stop, you have to get a good entry, and I have not gotten that on this trade here. Okay. Small victory there. 3% confidence. Good grief. Oh shit, sorry guys. My bad. My bad. My bad. I don't know how long it's been muted for too. Sorry. Um, I don't remember what I was saying. Oh, signals today have been, I think, tremendously much better. 42. Okay. Yes. Yesterday, I'm glad I didn't hit that twice. Yesterday we would have gotten a long signal here, which who knows, like might be not that bad of a signal, but today we're getting a little bit more like trend is your friend signals, which is good. Wonder if I could tell the AI like, hey, here's some sayings that people say. Let's just see if that improves it. I would never do that, but it'd be funny. All right, so good trade there. Good trade there. Poor confidence, better. So um, overall, it's been kind of crazy how much one day's worth of data can like change how effective these signals are. We're doing a pretty good job here. I think our right now, again, I'm not confident that if we release this out to you guys that it would just automatically be good. But I mean, we're kind of getting like a couple more days worth of data, and man, I don't know. 43. Okay, so I have a little less confidence in this signal here, but I'm gonna go short. Set my stop. Okay. I don't love my entry compared to where price is. Okay. Stop's going to come down a little bit because if price rolls up, it's just going to roll up. It is what it is. Okay, we got to recognize this a little bit better. Okay. Right down, what are you down, 1,000? All right, fine. And I expect to not do well with this today, but okay. Interesting. No doubt. No doubt. No doubt, John. Wicks are crazy. All right, here we got a long. Not the best signal in our entry in the world, but it should be okay. Let's see if we can get price to roll for us. Eight-point stop here. Shouldn't have needed it. Shouldn't have needed an 8-point stop. It could have been even tighter. I'm not going to adjust it here. Small loss there, about 150 bucks. Of course, you're a good signal. I just got in at a weird spot. Fudge. All right, so good signal there. Really good signal here. We just missed it because our stop was a little too tight, or our entry was a little too poor. So that's annoying. But the AI is handling this price action really well, like really well. Some of it's trader error, some of it's delayed of the signals just coming through. 45 gives me a short. Okay. Let me set my stop here and let me zoom out really fast. Um, the AI knows where VWAP is. Like that's one thing that I've kind of put in there is I need to know where VWAP is. And so we're calling VWAP resistance and trading off of that. Really nice call here by the AI. Really nice call here. Really nice call. Keep this one tight. I want to secure some of this profit here, about 200 bucks. Good. Go with heck yeah on that one. So it's going to learn. We're at VWAP. Price pushes down. We're going to close red. And that was a good call. Good. We should close red. Oof, close it green. Tough. Long signal. Wait for the next one. Short. This price action makes me a little nervous. Yeah. My fears were validated. Let's see. Okay. Small victory there. Bad signal because price is green. 47. Our signals are about 4 seconds late, so we gotta get that fixed. Um, that's a back end thing. We'll get that fixed. Stinks we only made like 20 bucks on that. So our actually it's bad signal now. If we can get that sorted out too, that'd be cool. That'd be cool. Okay. Oh, okay. Short. 148. Wow. All right, so we're really calling for a short here. This whole run up. I'm not a huge fan of that, but okay. Let's go stop up here. Again, I'd probably prefer some longs on all of these, although we did make some money here, barely. Um, but okay, that's fine. If a short is more profitable, I'll take it, but it's not right now. All right, down to 1,100 bucks. Dang. All right. Bad. 49. Signal goes long, so we'll wait on that one. Finally, we go long. Finally. About time, bro. Jeez. Turn this heater off. Kind of warm now. All right. Okay. Yeah, John, it has been a wiki week. It has been a crazy week. But we should be able to navigate these pretty well. I cannot believe that thing finally went red. That's wild. Should be able to navigate this stuff pretty well. Let me see here. Let's go. Here, okay. Got myself a short. Finally got a good entry. I don't know if it's going to pay out for us, but finally got a good entry. Want to let price dance around here a little bit. Curious if I should have actually taken profit on that small break even right there. Curious. So far, you are bad signals, both of you. Okay, if we get below my entry again, then we'll slide it, obviously. New signal here in about 10 seconds. See, I can't even move my stop. This price is so fast. Better. Tighten the stop. Good. New signal here. I'm assuming we're going to get a short, a long. Good grief. All right, we'll wait. Okay. Well, that's really unfortunate that we were in a short and that would happen, isn't it? Ah, okay. Again, we're still learning these signals, so it's like there's so many different pieces to this. The first part is as we improve it, it's going to get better. So we should be able to trust the signals more, which I do trust them a little bit more today than yesterday. Second part is sometimes we're going to get signals where it makes sense to hold on for a candle or two. And so we should do that. I have a long here and hopefully a short. Nope, I have two longs. I'll wait. Let's see if that would have saved me. While we wait for this candle, let's look at our overall stats here. Don't know that we're doing too well. 57%. Again, that's 8% increase. If we do that 2 more times, like we're going to be sitting at a stupid level of profit. So I'm not, wow, hell of a call here. I'm not all that upset about that. If we can hold, and again, I would say probably 7, 8 of these trades I've taken today have been just absolutely terrible. So I'm not actually all that, not all that upset. I'm really not. We had a really good day today so far. I know it's not gonna look like it P&L wise, and it sounds crazy if you guys are new around here, but this amount of improvement in a single day, off just one single day, is nuts. All right, signal time. It came in as a short, so we'll take a sell right there. I don't know what I was looking at. I don't love this price action. It looks like we're gonna head back up. I always could be wrong, and hopefully I am in a big way. There we go. There we go. Back down just 1,000. Nice little win there. Again, I'm getting to the point now where the AI needs to be smarter than me. Yesterday it wasn't. Today it's kind of seeing some things I'm not seeing. Hopefully over the next 2-3 days. So today we'll have today's training. We'll have Sunday evening, and we'll have early Monday morning. So we'll get a pretty decent increase in. Well, it won't be a ton, I guess. But we'll get all today, Sunday, and then some on Monday. So that'll be our largest learning session. We'll get that going. And we'll have a nice improvement. And again, we're going to train this thing every day next week, today including, to make it better. We should be, by the time we get to not this coming week, but the following, so kind of early April, we should have ourselves a system that is exactly the way we need it to be. Exactly what it needs to be. Good. Slide the stop, protect the account. Okay. A lot of small victories here. ATR must be really low. 16. Okay. I think it's a good signal, but it's not going to be marked as such. Okay. Sell. Ugh, getting in front of this is going to be crazy. Oh, I had a chance to get to even, and now I'm going to pay for it. Let's see. Again, not a lover of this signal here at all. But let's see. I'm about to smack my stop. Or not. It's so fast, I can't even place it. I'm being patient here. Ran through my stop. Wow. 56. I have another short. I just don't agree with that. I have to wait. Okay, so this one's flat out wrong. The other two were wrong, but we had a chance to make some money on it. This one, we are wrong. All of these are wrong. So I would like to see price call for a long right here. I would really appreciate that. Didn't get it, obviously. So I wanna improve that. Way to go, and then let's see, I don't know how to pronounce your whole name. What's the password? It'll be ready when it is ready, guys. I will give you that information. You'll have your own login. It won't be as simplistic as it is right now. You'll have your own login and everything, so you'll be able to access it yourself. But when it's ready, Not right now because it's not ready. Because a lot of you guys will start taking trades, be like, it's not great yet. And it's like, well, that's the whole point. It is not good just yet. Not yet, at least. All right, so let's see. 57. I have a sell signal here again. Oh, fuck, I clicked buy. Sell. See, that was my bad. I now have to win this trade just to make sure my account has the right P&L, which should be, let's sell that again. Let's see if we can get price to run for us a little bit. Kind of retrace some of this candle, which is pretty typical, but I don't know if it's going to happen here. Trying to place that stop. I haven't placed it yet. That's why price is running past it. Okay, there's something. If we can get some acceleration, that'd be cool. No? All right. We're down selling 1,200 bucks. Good win there, though. Okay, sell again here. Late to this one, but let's see if price can cooperate. 10-point stop. I'll make it like 8. Okay, I think no. All right, it's a bad signal there. 8-8, but good one there. Okay. All right. Now, again, I'd probably prefer longs all the way through, including a long on this one. I would still prefer that. Wouldn't mind a long here as well. Price might reverse a little bit, but I would prefer price signal with the direction on this one rather than going against the grain. Not a huge deal. It'll learn, like all this stuff is good, like it'll learn, but I think I would have preferred to see something different on that signal, personally. All right, 59 gives me a short again. So entry, stop. Pretty good entry here for us. I just don't know if I think I want to be shorting this type of action right here. Because if we are going to make money, it's going to be because we set our stop where it needs to be. I don't know. I don't think we're going to get what we want. Let's see. What does price want to do here? You're not a good signal. New signal, or yeah, okay. Thank you for getting me out of that. Bad signal. So it'll learn from this. It's gonna learn from this because this is not what I want yet. My 10 a.m. signal gives me another short. Buddy, I'm just not, I don't know why you want to keep shorting this. I understand, but like, it has not been profitable. We had a pretty good fill here too for this candle. Anything lower down here would have been not good. I'm not a big fan of this setup right here at all. Getting our ass kicked right now. I don't what? Stop doing that. That I need. This has to go. We got to get rid of this because if we're not taking, if we can't catch these moves when they occur, just go long on all of these, then we're missing the boat. This isn't what we want. But okay, it'll learn. It will learn. Where are we price action wise? We're way up here. We should be bombing longs here. What we got? Long, finally. All right, so the markets are red a bit, not a ton, but red. Couple stocks bumping the trend. Roku up nicely. I don't even know how Roku makes money, honestly. Tesla's up 2%. Okay. Okay. All right. My screen's frozen again? Why does this keep happening? OBS, what are you doing, my friend? I had to do this yesterday too. That doesn't do it. So let's do this. Give me a second. This is the second day in a row this has happened. I'm not in love with the fact that it does this. Let's remove that. Yes, and then we'll remove the screen as well. And then we'll add the screen back. Hit OK. And we are back. I sincerely have no idea why my face above. There we go. I don't know why that happens. It's so weird. Thanks for letting me know. All right, we got a short signal here. We'll chase that one a bit. Let's see what happens with it. Okay. Okay. Good signal there. Good signal there. Now you want to go long, but it was bad. Okay. New signal here, 1003. It's a good entry. Might not matter though. 10-point stop. Mm-mm. Okay, I like to handle this chop a little bit better than we are right now. We are going to be out of this one pretty quick. Yeah, we're down $2,000. Ooh, we hit that pretty fast. We took a lot of L's recently. So we shouldn't have. Like, we should not be taking L's with the trend like this. So that's going to get fixed. I am still excited about our progress, but I would like to see. I would really like to see us take longs over here and try to like expand what would be profit essentially. Because we will take losses. I get that. We shouldn't be taking losses when price is making very obvious moves. By obvious, I just mean when price is rolling. So good trade here. Like, this is a really good signal here. So it's very obvious the AI trades choppiness a lot better than trends, to which I get. But we got to coach that out of that. We got to coach it to take the trades that it needs to be taken all the time. Good trade here. Ooh, out. Okay. 200 bucks, I guess, on that one. So good trade there. So we're just trying to capture all these reversals, which I don't mind because the market does chop quite a bit. But when it's not chopping, this is when we have to be able to capture this. So it'll learn because we're going to give it the data and then for it to update. But man, sell, stop. We're a little late on this one, late to this one. It's a good signal here. But holy shit. Okay. I can't believe that worked out. That's crazy. Okay. Okay, maybe reversal back down to VWAP. We'll see here. But we have traded, I would say, this is a lot better than yesterday, believe it or not. So, if you guys are new around here, make sure you guys like the live stream. That always helps. Throw a like there. Okay, I've got a short signal here. I guess I'll just be patient on this one and take a short right there. Be a little late. 10-point stop. It's going to be pretty reasonable. But I don't know if it's going to work out. That's a hell of a trade there. A hell of a candle movement. So far, these are bad. Wow. Good trade there. Ideally, I would like this still to call for a long. I know price reversed back a lot, but I would like for this to be a long, considering price isn't going to be red at all in that candle. I would have preferred that. 1007 signal is also a short. Let's go ahead and pop that right there. Okay, 10-point stop. So we're trading the choppiness really well. It's calling the choppiness, I think, really well. It needs to catch the trend a lot better. Because ultimately, if we want to make a ton of money, we need to be able to, that's a good trade there. We need to be able to capture like these moves here. So this is what I'm a little disappointed in. I wish we were better already at this, which is fine. We'll work on it. But I think that we've got some improvements to do. Got some improvements to do. Another sell signal here. I know we just took that sell signal, sorry. Signal coming here in 3 seconds here. I have a low confidence long and a high confidence short. We'll take the short. I love when it just like prints the wick. You can't even see it. I love that. Okay. We're kind of trying. What are we doing today as far as profit and loss or signals go? 59%, not bad. Not bad. If we get 10% better than yesterday, and technically it wouldn't be technically it would be we've gotten 20% better from yesterday. 10% of 10% on 50 is actually times 2. Short right here again. Okay. About 500 bucks here of trading back, which is good. So if we trade choppiness really well, like that's sick. Like I can't believe that we've kind of gotten to the point where we can trade this choppiness at a high level. That's awesome. What isn't good, what isn't great is the trend. So if we get price to just settle down and not do anything, we're gonna make a ton of money, which is awesome. I like that. But I would like it so that when price does break out, long, 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 I'm okay with the long here, even if it's a loss. Long, long, long. That'd be cool. That'd be nice. So we'll see. All right. Short again. Not a huge fan of this one. I'll tell you that right now. My stop accordingly, and almost. This wick right here, these highs up here are pretty tricky. So let's see. It's obviously reading that. I get that, which is good. We're just waiting. I don't know what this candle wants to do here. Okay, I still have a long here from not ChatGPT, our models here, so that's good. All that for like 60 bucks. Okay. So okay-ish signal there. I cannot believe we're trading the choppiness as well as we are. I thought would be the thing that would be the hardest to figure out. AI's got it down. Yes, William, you are correct. It is exciting. The P&L part of it, like if I can get my brain to stop caring about that for just a few days and just look at like what is actually happening with this, um, I'm going to be very, very excited because this is so far, I think, our doing a pretty good job here. I didn't think we'd get here this fast, which is nice. All right, so this high has been this 93 level. Pretty tricky. So let's see what price wants to do with that. I want to run my stop to even, but I just want to give it a little bit more space. So I'm not interested in a break-even trade here. Okay. Holy cow. Okay, not ChatGPT, but our AI models, the MLS model. I feel like we should have made more money on that one, but okay. That's about $600 straight, which is nice. So my confidence scores are really high because we have more data. Now, there could be a time where it gets to like 99%. I don't know if I would love that. I don't know if I want to see like 99% confidence. I think that insinuates the wrong thing, but short right there. Can price extend a little more? That's what I'm talking about. Good. Nice. Okay. Almost $800 here straight. Just been good. We left a little bit on the table there. All right. Not upset with that at all. Sell. Of course, I'm in it with two now. Nice. Good trade there. Okay. And again, once I think these signals get a little better, like a lot better, we'll probably take less volume. We'll trade less. As the signals improve, we'll get more accurate signals, which just means that we'll have the ability to navigate some of this movement a bit better, which means we'll take a few less trades, which will help overall profitability, I believe. But while we're waiting, so I have a low confidence short here. Kind of feels like we might get a price reversal. So let's see. Okay. Need to update that, don't I? Thought I did. Okay. Short signal here again. Can't believe that low confidence one actually turned out to be. So you might be correct. Oh shit! I didn't set my stop. 400 bucks is our stop. So 10 points. Actually, we're a little past that. Flood my stop because I mismanaged this one to start. Yep. Okay. Whoopsie. Long? All right, let's see. Nope. Back to where we were before. Okay. That's one contract. Yeah. All right. Fair enough. Hmm. Do this. 18 signal is what? Short and both low confidence short. Okay. Fine. Fine. So I do like this. If we get a low confidence signal, I would like to see that it's at least wrong. I would like that. That would, give credence to the fact that we're reading these charts correctly. That'd be nice. To which I don't know why a low confidence, like if it's this low, why not just make it 98% long, 94% long? Like, why not do that? I don't know. Just interesting. All right, 19 of a long again, low confident long here. I haven't had this many low confidence signals in a minute. So actually, this is both of you guys are good. Very interesting there. What did I do? Good. Okay. Bad signal viewer. Okay, so we got price continuing. That's what I mean though. I was obviously we went short. I don't know why the model is so geared on shorts. I guess the markets have just been pretty ugly, but what the fuck? 1.1% long. Buddy. Nothing. I got no confidence anywhere. All right, interesting. This is a turn of events. We went from super high confidence to low confidence really fast. Okay, we're trading below VWAP. Nice. Maybe that's why we're at VWAP, I guess. ATR at 16. ATR is really high. I don't know, if you guys are newish around here for futures and whatnot, but the ATR being at 16 still is still relatively high. Usually we don't have this much volume. So this has been a lot of fun, but I think you're going to be correct. You're going to be wrong. Let's see here. Let's find out what we got. 21 is a long, very low confidence. All right. All right, we'll wait on that. Okay. Markets are down. I do like the fact that the market's being down and our signal, just the amounts match up. I like that we've got more shorts than longs on a day like this. Um, that's nice. Or actually end up being decently right. That's good. Before we didn't have that. ChatGPT did not care what the market was doing. It was going to signal what it signaled. But today we got a little bit more resemblance. Short. Okay, 92% confidence that we're going to go short, and that probably isn't going to be correct. We did pop down, but yeah, no. Back down 21. Oh, you're right. You're wrong. 26%. Interesting. Okay. All right. 23 gives me a 1% confident long, so that's fascinating. We'll wait for that one. Okay. Bad signal there. We'll wait for we'll do another trade or two, and then we'll look at our stats for today. We'll see kind of where we fare out. Short, I should get 2 here. And long, wow, all right, finally a long. Haven't gotten a high confidence long in a minute, and this is probably why. Hey, my entry sucked. That was a bad entry. It wouldn't have been a good trade regardless. My entry was not great there. Gotta work on that. New signal here. 25 is a long. We'll take that. Stop. Good. Solid. Short. Take that. I have 2 of an 80% and 90%. Okay, so I expect this trade to work out, but let's see if it actually does. Yeah, well, it did. Okay, close out of that one. Good. Good there. All right. Again, so we handle the choppiness pretty well. That's nice. I want to handle the trend better. That's what I really need. We're gonna have losses. We're never gonna be perfect, which is fine. But I want to handle the trend down. And I guess we're just handling the shorts really well. We don't handle the longs very well. I'm wondering if that's just because of the amount of data that we have. Yesterday was pretty good. Yesterday we had a green day. Right? Yeah. So That's nice, but we haven't had too many green days in a row. So I guess we've kind of started this thing with a short bias because that's what the data we've given it. But let's see what we get here. So signal as a long, we'll wait. Okay. We will wait. I got you. We'll do that later. Okay. All right. Well, let me know where you guys are watching from. How's it going today? How's your week been? My week's been not great, but since we updated the model here, kind of encouraged. Today's pretty solid. We'll look at our results here in just a second. I said that last time. We'll do it just a second here. Okay. Long and 0.09%. Short. God, I have no idea where price is going to go here. All right. So results for today are as such. Obviously, we're down big, but win rate's at 59%. And one break even, which means that should have been a win. So almost at 60%. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. So I'm pretty excited about that. 360, our biggest loss was 340. So that matches up pretty good. Obviously, we're getting our ass kicked. Average trades about 25 seconds, 74 trades. So on 74 trades, we should get, in 60% win rate, we should be closer to profitability than we are. So we got to work on that. Again, a couple trades by me that were just bad that I could work on, but not terrible. Yesterday was 50% on the nose. Today being almost 60 is pretty nice. Let's see if we can get it a little higher here. So long, wow. So long position here. I'll take it now. There's my 10-point stop. Small victory there. Okay. Okay. New signal. Good grief. We're calling for a long two. This is going to be risky as a mug. Or not. That thing ran down and up so fast. That stinks. Good signal though. High quality signal. Just ran fast on us. We didn't have a chance to really do much. $31 is a short. I think it already went. Well, we're gonna miss that one. Oh, we'll take it. Let's see what we got here. Nothing there. That was bad. That was a bad signal. Okay. There are bad trades by me and there are bad signals. That was a bad signal. Bad signal. We got into it late, but it should have worked out differently. Okay. New signal here in just a second. Hopefully it's a long, that'd be cool. Yes, I'm gonna take it because it called long, but man, I really would like it to run some more. We missed out on so many points, on 13 points. Like we can't have that. That cannot be a thing for us. Good. This is kind of what I mean. Good signal. Signal delayed a little bit. Price ran. It's a good signal. It's a bad trade by me. That sucks. I hate that. All right, let's do. Let's do this. All right, let me get some water here. We'll be right. We'll take one more trade. Though. Get some water. 0% confidence score. What in the world? Uh, that just made me laugh. 0% confidence score. As we get more and more data, the confidence scores will begin to align a little bit better with what they should be. Please don't call for a reversal here. Nope. Long. Okay. Be right back. Let me get some water. Short signal. See what happens. We'll take it. See if we can run past where it was, or if we got in too late. My assumption is a bit too late. We could avoid the getting into late trades thing. Would be pretty good. Let's see. Break even at least. Okay. Oh, all these are bad. All right. Damn. Had a little bit had a chance to make some more on that one. Didn't. Let's see what we got here. All right. New signal here in 2 seconds. 1 second. Here we go. Short. All right. I think we got to get a pretty good spot on that one. I want to place it. I really do. But I just don't know if I have the space to do it. 6-point stop here. Oof. Wow. That was awesome. We'll go 2 contracts from here on since we have enough time. Low confidence long there and another short are coming here. All right, good and bad. 37. I have a short. The stop. At, too far, too much. There we go. That didn't matter. That thing was going the opposite way. All right, let me go grab my water here and take care of something. My mouth's been really dry. I'm gonna try to swish some salt water around. See if that will help. I'll be right back. Watch my signals for me. Make sure they're all good. All right, we're back. Let's lower the desk down here and get to cranking a little bit. Signal. Ooh. 39, low confidence score there. Evan, have you considered sizing down 5 micros? Trail wider. Cal, I have a little bit. I've considered that. Ultimately, though, like there's two ways to benefit. It's a good question. So I guess if you guys can't see the chat, Cal asked if I considered sizing down to make my stops bigger, essentially. And the answer is yes, I've considered it. The reason I don't do it that way is you pay a lot of commissions when you trade a lot of micros. Trading 3 micros is it's more expensive than trading one in Q contract. So trading a ton of trades like we are wouldn't be beneficial for us. That's one. The second thing though is I really don't want my stops all that loose. Like I really don't want them ultra wide because I want the signals to be good. And so it's just part of improvement. Like I could have my stop 20 points away, but I'm not interested in holding trades that long either. So hold on, let's see what we got here. 40 and I've got nothing. So the wider the stop, the wider the take profit has to be. And for the most part, we're trading 2 contracts now, so we'll check to see kind of what this ends up being. But for the most part, our biggest wins are bigger than our biggest losses. I've consistently kept that, and we typically have 2, 3 to 4 of those larger wins compared to our larger loss. So I like the way that I'm positioned. I like my sizing a lot, actually. I really do. The goal is to make these signals good enough so that we don't have to worry about a ton of drawdown, which it's going to happen at times, but 10, 15 points. When the ATR is super high, we'll go micros because we 10 points wouldn't be enough if the ATR was sitting at like 30. Like that just wouldn't be enough space. But if it's low, not to worry about anything there. Like at 16, nah. All right, so I have a short here with low confidence, so a bunch of low confidence, confident trades here. Fine, good one, good call there. Okay, call here, and then this one's turning into something maybe. So Cal, I have considered it. I just don't necessarily know if that's the most responsible thing, just to make my stops bigger, because that doesn't always help. Although it can, doesn't always help. Well, that was a very nice trade for a low confident Score. Okay. $42 gives me a short. I'll take that. Let's see if we can build off of what we just had here. Nice. Nice trade there. We down 23. We had a little bit more juice on that one too. Not a ton, but a little bit more. Okay, I got price moving again. Here we go. Okay, are we ready to call for longs yet or no? Nope. Short. My stop's gonna be pretty tight on this one. I think maybe we've exhausted out where price wants to be. Let's see. Nice. All right. Good trade there. Nice. So actually, it's going to be a bad one, I guess, but good as a good trade. All right. Solid enough. Solid enough. But again, the signal should be good enough. And this is my standards are just really high, but the signal should be good enough that we don't have to worry about too much drawdown. We should just be able to see these things right away. If it calls for a short, I'd be concerned. I think we're going to end up going long here, but that's fine. I'll go another short. I guess I can't be upset if it's calling for a short while the trend is down, then I can't be mad about that. I guess I just don't think it's going to continue to go down. Not in a meaningful way. Let's find out though. Let's find out together. 85, 95. Yeah, we're 10 points out. About $400 stop here. If price gets back down to even, I'll trail it a little bit better. Close. Okay. Oh, we're right there. We're right there. Good call by the system. My entry was just a little, there we go. That didn't help at all. Okay. 45 gives me a low confidence. That's fine. I'm okay with that. That's better. That's better. That's better. So we have our moments where we win a few in a row. We have moments where we lose a few in a row. The goal would be that we have stretches where we win 3, 4, 5 in a row, and then if we lose 2 in a row at most. And so and the goal would be, and this is a stupid wild goal, but like the goal would be that we could really like size up our accounts because the signals are good enough to do that. If that makes sense. Not that you would, but if you did, it would pay off. Because ultimately, if you get the entry right and you get the direction right, you shouldn't have an issue at all. So we'll see. 46 gives me a. You still stuck on shorts? Yeah, but low confidence one, and the other is also a low confident one. So we'll see how these turn out. Let's find out how these turn out. Let's do this. What's this? 47 short, low confidence. So we're not going to take that either. So these are all bad. Okay, so hopefully in the next couple of days, so today's data, Sunday, and then early Monday, maybe we'll see if we can get some of these low confident shorts to be longs. Like that would be pretty cool because all these would have been correct had they been longs. So hopefully we can see a bit of a spinach there. That'd be really exciting. I'd be down for that. Let's see, long, low confident long here, and a high confident short. All right, short, stop, and how fast are we going to run to my stop here? Is the question. My stop is way too big. Oh, right there. Entry could have been a little better, as in just waited another half second. We would have had a much smoother entry. Stop place. Stop run. Okay. Decent trade there. Great call by the AI. But if we entered at open, it would have been very ugly. So 49 is a short again. I'll take that. Man, if my entry could just be a tad bit delayed, we'd be in great shape. A lot of these trades would be a lot more profitable. Yeah. All right. Not bad. Well, technically not good either. Short. Okay, we'll wait. All right, actually, it gave me a long signal. So bad for these both, but okay. Interesting. We're getting close, folks. We're not far. Like we're right there. We're actually a lot closer than I anticipated us being at this point. I didn't think we would get the signals to be this good this fast. And I know that we're down huge today, and I know that we've lost like 40% of our trades. I get that. But I thought we would start way worse than we did. I thought we'd be way worse than 50%. And I didn't think we would be able to get to about, high 50s to low 60s either. All right. So sell right there. I like my entry a lot. It's kind of a new thing for today. But I guess if I like it a lot, then that means it's not going to be any good. And it's not. Yeah. Yeah, that one stung. All right. Because we missed that whole thing. All right. It'll learn. It'll learn. Not mad about it. Tricky though. But we're ahead of schedule. This is what I am encouraged about. It could be by the end of next week, like we have this thing cranking. And so we'll know because my win rate needs to get in about the 70s consistently for this to be the case. And then once it's there, I mean, we're gold because it'll only get better. So we'll see. But we'll see how good it can actually get without. We'll see how good it can get. Let's just leave it there. We'll figure out where we want to go from there. 52 is a short. Okay, I'm not upset about the call. I just don't know if I trust it as much as it's confident. I'm ready to slide that stop at any point. Yeah, I don't think if it went lower, we would get good call there, bad call here. Yeah, gotta protect the account at all costs. At least practice protecting the account. 53. It's time to go long, bro. Short. Okay, we're late to this one. Can we be rewarded? ATR just ticked up for sure. These candles are a lot bigger. Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Well, that was insane. That was an intense call. Okay. MLS. Good call there. Bro, long with 1%. What were we just saw? Short, thank you. Short. Really good fill here. All right. Wow, that trade really helped us out a lot. Okay. So we'll wait on this one. Let's go look at that trade was obviously our biggest one. The data says we'll have to wait for it to load. Takes a little bit. No, John, no bot. No, John, my friend. No bot. This is going to be, I think I'm going to stick with manual trading from this point going forward. I understand, bad signal. I understand that probably getting to something automated can make sense, but with the way price moves, it would be, I think, way too much learning to try and also execute these trades. Short right there. Oof, as soon as I entered, price popped. I think it'd be a little much. That and I just think that if I can improve this better, taking these by hand makes way more sense than doing it by machine. Because there are a ton of variables that you have to put in, and I think it's not a great use of resources, in my opinion. I'd rather this be insane. And 70% win rate is just kind of the mark that I'm like, okay, we would be profitable if we were winning 70% of our trades. If you win 70% of your trades and you're not profitable, you've got a risk management issue. Um, so that's where I want to get to. But no, I don't think automation even makes sense. I that is a dragon I've been chasing for a long time, and I'm about ready to just say like no more. Like until I have software that is so good you can't even purchase it, like it's so good like it's not available to the public like regularly, then at that point I consider it. But until then, no. If I'm going to be using a desktop machine that anybody can get access to, and a computer that everybody has access to, and data ultimately that everybody has access to, it doesn't make sense for me to trade automated. I have no edge when it comes to entering trades, not like I would with these signals. So, damn. See, we don't catch these. They're not catching these yet. That's got to work out. You have to be about questioning the idea. No, what's going on? I'm okay to try and test anything. I mean, we just built a bot not long ago, and it was okay. It wasn't great. Could have been better. Um, but it's not. I don't think it's just a good. I don't think it's a good use of resources. I know people automate, but I would feel a lot more comfortable managing because again, the goal is going to be that short, God, that we'll have a ton of funded accounts or we'll do a self funding. But if we do self funding, I'm going to put a nice chunk of money in over time. And so I just don't know if I want to trust the bot with all of that, knowing all the things that could happen. Who knows? I don't know. After doing this last version of the bot, I just kind of hinted the realization like I've been trying to do this for a while and I need to figure out something better. And I'm glad I came up with this idea, but I don't know. I don't know. Building bots isn't for me, I guess. This would be a nice little tight trade if we catch this. Nice. My stop is tight because I don't know if price is ready to keep going down or not. Good trade there. Okay, good. Take the next signal here. We'll try to look at our idea. I'll try to look at our data for today. I would say today's a little bit worse than yesterday's price action. I went back and just kind of looked. It was so smooth. Like yesterday's price action is exactly what you want to day trade. And we just traded it so poorly because the MLS system just isn't as good as it needs to be yet. But yesterday's price action was super flowy, and that's what you want to see. We just messed it up by not having good enough signals for that day. All right. If this thing can load, I will look at my P&L. So we'll wait for a second. We'll give it a minute to load up. What are we doing? Why is this thing not loading? I hate that it does this. We'll look at it eventually, I guess. Short. We're late to this one. Oh, we are late, but not unprofitable. Stop had to be tight because my entry stunk. If my entry was a little bit better, my stop could have been looser. So I'm gonna refresh this really quick. That signal's looking pretty mighty good. Okay, well I can't look at my performance. Not yet. All right, 11 o'clock here. What do we got? Can't believe we caught this. I cannot believe we caught that. Signal time, short with low confidence. Short with higher confidence. We could have missed a boat on this one already. So let's see. No boat missed. Good. All right, good trade there. Well, I don't know if it's a good signal or not yet, but I liked it. Come on, wow. Show me what I'm looking for, please. Might just take a second to load. If not, we'll take the next trade that comes through. Okay, 100 trades, 97 trades, 62% win rate. Wow, that's pretty good. We'll take a few more trades here. Let's go sell right there. Oh man, I had a chance to break some even here. Now I'm gonna get crunched, I think. Nice. Nice. Good signal there. Bad signal, technically, we could close green. Good stuff there. That's one. Holy cow. Bad signal. What is going on? Okay, 1102. Okay, we have some crazy price action here. So let's see what we have. Just looking for two signals here, both low confident shorts. Interesting. Okay. So this will be a lot of fun for the models to train on because we have this huge wick here and then we have this huge wick here as well. And so just looking at, okay, excuse me, where was the open, low, open, low, high, and close, or I'm sorry, open, low, high, and close. And same thing here. Like, it's fascinating stuff. Now, why is price behaving like this? Because we're near VWAP, naturally. All right, so that's our stop, and then this was our stop, but this is our range. We've been trading in this stupid freaking range for so long. We've been in this thing for so long. We got out up here, came back down, and we've been here ever since. So today's a really, really nice day to train the model on because it's super choppy. The choppier, the better, because that stuff's hard to trade. If we can get that right, world's ours. Okay, short. I tried to wait just a second to see if I could catch just a little more movement, but whatever. What in the world? Well, it's good training data, I guess. It is good training data. John asked, feel like it's been wacky this week because of contract rollover moving forward. Yeah, it's been wacky this week because we haven't had a ton of news. Like the week before, we had a ton of news, a ton of everything. And so price was like, I'm certain I know where I want to go. This week has been a little, let's go look at, we'll watch the signal first. We'll go look at the overall like daily chart and the weekly chart. I've got a short here with low confidence and then another short with higher confidence. We'll take that. We could have been a little quicker on our entry. Okay, we're out. Let's go look at on the daily chart. Let's get rid of VWAP for a second. Okay, so this week we've really just been kind of rebounding from the past couple weeks, and so it's going to be choppy because price is not necessarily certain it wants to either keep going and get below this 19,000 level and drop down into the 18,000s, or if we're going to bounce here and roll back up. So it's been quite interesting. This has been an interesting week, starting right here. This is Monday. So we bottomed out at the end of last week. We made the bottom almost on Tuesday, and then we found a top and then kind of traded back. And then this week, it's been kind of this trading between this range. So price hasn't been wacky per se. We're just looking. Price is trying to figure out like where is it valued. Like this is our support and our resistance. And to make it even more fun, it's only 600 points away, which isn't a lot. If you look at the ATR on the daily chart, one day it moves about 500 points, 460. We had a day that was moving 592. So like one day could break us out of this range, up or down. So very, very, very fascinating stuff. Yeah, it's been really interesting here. Put VI back on the chart. I got another short here at 1105. Sell, stop, and stop, drop, roll. Nope. Profit though, but not a lot. We'll wait for that one. 1104 being short. Yeah, that was a terrible call. Price this system has a tough time going long. Hong said it's not valuable data to train on. I would disagree because if we have a bunch of different basically behaviors of price, today's a perfect day to train on. The wackier, the better. The wackier, the better. We don't throw out data around here. We don't do that. So, Hong, my friend, although I do appreciate your comment, I do not believe you're accurate in your assessment. This is wonderful data to bring on to look at. And guys, we're not looking at like overall the contract rollovers and expirations and all that. We're just looking at price action, and then a few other key data points that I think are valuable, but they have nothing to do with like our triple witching or anything else. Like I think that stuff's really stupid overall. Price is going to be choppy because we don't have a direction yet. It's not price isn't choppy because we have contracts rolling over and whatnot. It's just we have no idea where price wants to be. The Fed didn't lower interest rates. Inflation is coming down, but not crazy. Unemployment isn't that bad. New home sales were up. We have a lot of conflicting data still, and so we're just looking for a direction. None of that has anything to do with contracts rolling over or any other nonsense that we like to peddle. Because if Trump tweeted something about tariffs or said we're going to have peace in Russia, Ukraine, or whatever, market would take off one way or the other. So we would see a direction. It wouldn't have anything to do with anything else. Don't put too much credence into like these weird certain things. We just don't have direction today, and that's okay. This is the most perfect day to trade on and train on. It couldn't be any better. Couldn't be better. A lot of choppiness, a lot of back and forth, very little trend, but some trend. So we need to figure this out. I need to go long on this. I need to be long here. I need to be short here, which I was. We were short here, which is crazy. Okay, new signal here. I kind of want to ignore this one, but we'll take it. Sell. Stop way up there. Move it down. Let's see. I'll place my stop when it's ready to go down. Place right there. Not looking friendly. Okay, not good. We'll go sell again. Let's see if we can catch this thing running down. Don't think I'm going to be able to get this lucky that time though. 6 points. Okay, push up and then flush down. That'd be cool. Tried it. New signal here in 8 seconds. We'll see if our trade's still alive by then. New signal says what? How do we, bro, you're moving way too fast for me. We're gonna hold this thing. I have another short, so that's good, but like, can I get some movement down? We're gonna get smacked out of this one. Yeah, I think so. Bad signal there. Not a terrible signal in the minute before, but not good. Not bad. We had a good timing. We just were a little bit like sweet. See ya, John. Didn't roll until Tuesday. I got destroyed in that account, but trade of 8, great day. Difference, price, volume is huge. Yeah, no doubt, John. No doubt. See you, John. All right, let's take a look at our results for today. We'll maybe just call it right here. 62%. So we had a 12% increase, almost 13% increase in our performance, which is crazy. Our P&L is a little bit better today than it was yesterday. So that's good too. So we can kind of see that if we increase our win rate, we're going to increase our P&L naturally. That makes sense. 106 trades, 66 won, 39 lost. Biggest win was 860. Biggest loss was 440. So anytime that we have a lopsided in a good way, biggest win versus biggest loss, we're going to be in good shape. So I am not too upset with today's performance. I'm actually very, very encouraged. If we get another 12% on our win rate over the weekend training, like, what are we talking about? You know, we'll be in the 70s. We'll be chilling. So very, very excited about that. We'll see how much better this thing can get as the days goes on. So Monday we'll have a brand new set of training, which would be awesome. And then Tuesday we'll have the same. We'll have it every single day, an improvement over the next week as well. And then if it's good enough, like we'll talk about rolling this thing out that following week, probably just to a few people, probably people who already have the predictive model. That'll be first. And then from there, you know, we'll figure it out. So we'll see. We'll see how good this stuff can get because man, it's awesome, and I'm really excited about where this AI is going and where our machine learning is taking us. So I will log it for today. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But until then, have a safe weekend, trade responsibly, and I will see you guys on Monday. Peace.